We all know and understand the fact that the squat is a pivotal player in the development of a leaner, more powerful and athletic physique. But if it's causing you to experience the type of pain in the lower back that would make you rather get a prostate exam from Freddy Krueger than to get under the bar and take it for an elevator ride, you need to watch this video that will help expose both the cause of the problem and the simple fix that will help you get the faster and pain-free gains that you should be getting with this awesome lift. What's up, meatheads? Coach MANdler here, Team Swole Patrol. As I mentioned, the focus of today's video is getting you set up with the ability to squat without dinging up your lower back. Now, we all know that as one of the most simple and fundamental movement patterns that there is, you just can't ignore the value of a squat. The problem is, a lot of guys out there experience debilitating lower back pain when doing them. Now, many trainers these days will probably point to hip mobility issues being the lead culprit of this pain, particularly when it manifests into butt wink or lumbar flexion that occurs at the bottom of the squat. But I'd argue that even if this is the reason for your lower back pain when you squat, the real root of the problem might not just be hip mobility issues like chronic anterior pelvic tilt, but instead something far simpler to fix. Personally, I've found that it's not just hip mobility issues, but more so how you initiate the squat that better dictates the trajectory of your success with it. Let me explain. In order to properly initiate the squat, your first movement should always be to track your hips back instead of straight down. This assures the proper lever alignment throughout your body, which results in a more powerful and pain-free squat. Unfortunately, I found that a lot of lifters, in an effort to overemphasize this hips back cue, will initiate the entire lift in a destabilized environment because of overextension or poking out of their lower back. You see, when that overextension in your lower back during initiation of squat occurs, it forces you to lose the stability you need in your spine to squat with both safety and power. The solution to this is both simple and immediate, though. It starts with aligning your thoracic and lumbar spine with your pelvic floor before you even initiate your hips back. This aligned position is the one you will keep for the entirety of your set. From there, it's just a matter of pulling air into your belly, tightening up, and fastening your upper body to your lower body so that it doesn't detach at the hips when you send them back during initiation of the movement itself. So here's what you can take from that explanation of things. It's the fastening of your upper body to your lower body, which is pivotal if you're going to get gains instead of pain during the squat. And it all starts with proper alignment and proximal rigidity in your spine by way of tightening up your core before you even initiate your hips back for the squat. So next time you squat, make sure you remember to align properly and tighten properly so that your spine remains in a stabilized position for the entirety of the movement. This will go a long way to fixing a lot of the underlying issues that are causing you to struggle with gains in strength as well as experiencing that lower back pain during the squat. So fix that, and I can promise you you're going to squat pain-free and with greater gains in size, speed, explosiveness, and overall strength. Hey man, thanks for checking out today's video. For more videos like this that explain the simple things you can do on a daily basis inside the gym for better, faster, and more pain-free athletic gains, make sure you subscribe to the channel first off. And if you want to learn even more about some of the simple lifting hacks that will result in you being able to instantly see more strength, size, and muscularity gains with not just your squat, but your other most anabolic lifts like the deadlift, the front squat, bench press, and overhead press as well, then click the image that you see over to the right and take advantage of the killer sale price I've attached to my #1 performance bodybuilding program called Amped. Normally the price is set at $47, but right now I've knocked it all the way down to just $19. So click the image you see to the right, and I'll take you directly to that discount page that explains everything about how you can improve your aesthetics and performance all in the same program.